Understand? So while me have my private things I deal with, me still never let go my public things and pay attention to what mean most to me, my country and my family and the people them will matter. And Jamaica people matter to me. And the whole of them are line up now to come past them big old laws and turn Jamaica in a republic and we're going to dress up like an African down here. And then them are going to feed that to Africa as what is new to the world. And Jamaica now have become the country who accept the devil. And it was a long job, but we got them to do it. No, Jamaica people. We now can stand up and put the little hermaphrodite and them people there to book. Call them to book right now and say, yes, you can dep on social media, but be on social media towards motivating the children them. How you make algorithms, make uno a support, a demon. We are come for the children them in our household to turn them in a sodomite. Under the guise of rights, under the guise of human rights. Come on, guys, man. Come on, man. Don't make God crash Jamaica, man. Don't make God crash Jamaica. Because that's true. Because some of we down here make we not crash yet. And because some of we down here make down here not sink way yet. And you see Canada? I want to say something to Canada, but me not ready yet.
Alright, that is it.
I system me about over here, man. That alone me do. You see me?
That is it. That is it.
It's system.
So wagwa. Talk to me.
You know, so I just the regular everyday thing you don't know them and try let in Saddam and Gomorrah in Jamaica choose some funny looking people and I call them influencers and them think they have them and them fans them are diss up all artists like we where they are all long and all it for people. Them come now through the system and empower them. You have one hermaphrodite one over one side there. We will have one corner there with be a wounded people on that page. I go on like I hit at the new bad man in a Jamaica now and I hit everything I forgot come a feet foot. Cause I hit a govern the place and we are saying none of you. But know who you prefer.
Ask you,
before me come
the government can ban TikTok.
Yeah man, right now Andrew work on it cause too much badness are going over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we have a what man in a
so that's why I ask. That's why I ask man.
The government are trying ban it right now because them a beat Andrew bad over here. Them a expose Andrew hard.
Right.
But they know how them a wait for expose over PNP side because PNP side need the two of them, all of them, is me any one of them. But people them not
the same thing.
People them too loyal to the people them we kill them dog.
Yeah. From the government, from them say food and refreshment at headquarters free.
Everybody food ready. I don't know the sitting in the food because Jamaica people that way the whole world I wonder why Jamaica people stay so but the food where they go eat and the drinks where they go drink is sitting in the food and they never know where the brother do the song. Where the pussy put in the chicken? Where the pussy put in the chicken? And fast.
Yeah.
I come like he just go try the chicken and go sister sitting taste for the chicken that tastes so good aside our seeing something else in that chicken here.
Watch out now, you see the system designed for draw with them.
After the fight against one another. You see me?
No one now go on a cherry gardens, you know.
None.
No one now go on up a long mountain, you
know. None. Jamaica have some whole heap of safe place down here. So that is what we don't want the hermaphrodite to. The hermaphrodite to dep on our page and make sure so when she dep on our page I talk to the people them, she tell the people them so we protect Jamaica, we love Jamaica. She dep on there try look Brittany and I try suck Brittany pussy. You understand what I say? What kind of big man you be in Brittany, a young little girl and wounded, go through enough rape on them something there. But you supposed to alright. If you dep on social media and look a little girl that go through rape and never get no justice feet. You with a little pedophile self, your little sick self. I come and look the little girl on live and everybody I say she a role model. And me and other people we see the fuck we are going to go sit on one side and allow she if you run the ground because of them are the bad people them. We are governed with you them head boy. I want to hear none of that. Me a Jamaican.
None of that. None of that. And I'm glad you come out come and talk to you, see me? I'm glad you come out come and talk to no joke.
You see me? Like we not to talk, like we not to say nothing. You see me? My little son just turned 11-year-old. You want to tell me say that little hermaphrodite have to come show him how to be bad man boy and how to be man where I say them a man and you come out and you I said that my son can't have that as no role model. I want to tell you.
I know it's a different still a whole heap of people watch her, you know.
Me no care who watch her, my lord, cause if I want if people go watch me, if me get up every day and turn on my life too. We are talking about where you use your influence though.
Do.
If only if people watch you, where you use it though? If you tell a little girl say all she figure do is can't use her throat squeeze wood. Only thing little Jamaican girl for learn to do is to learn how to hold them throat, how to use them throat squeeze wood. And that alone little girl for you learn in Jamaica.
That alone
And
never
that
tell them, man.
learn on her life every day if you come tell a little girl say, me I tell you say right now, you want to know how it feels to use your throat squeeze and hold on. And some little girl would all just get raped last night by some little dirty pedophile, dirty boy or girl somewhere. And where you tell me say my lord? You want to tell me say that all right?
Go, man.
Them thing that
them
that's
go
the examples we have set for our youths, the Jamaican people, children. And then my youth got one of the most excellent school in Jamaica. And him not even know who name so. Because the school where him go, for them school, social media, especially all where them a do lack with from them the youth, them they even know say somebody exist name so.
That is it, man.
So everything are algorithms. Everything work off of algorithms, my lord. So them know where them a feed what. Go ahead.
You know, oh you gonna know say, the people them brainwash. Election will come now.
Watch how them a go line up and vote in PNP. Or vote or keep in Labour right.
Them keep in by the same Labour right and the same treatment to them and that.
Because guess what? People like we, a youth like you that probably come on and come do 2 games, yes. But if you get the opportunity to hold a conscious conversation that you're bridging them for your corners, can see, you can hold that type of conversation there too. They not go and encourage that.
No.
They want you come on and come see all the same thing put on our girl side her now, and you go up and live with her and I say, you know, say maybe for a dark night mode I look you. But the same thing I tell you, say it a not even girl. It a make you know say me. When I tell me I think I know me I watch her and then just place her. And look at when I tell me I'll sorry for her and go back and no sorry for her again, because my sister she deliberate with what I do. See? Because she come on and she bawl and say she wish she could have children. That's how the first time I show sympathy towards her. Because me I say, John, no. She born as a hermaphrodite. She not no womb as well she say. So as a woman, and you feel woman feelings, you go want to have the maternal instinct that you say, John, no, I wish we could have a youth still. So me now, would I did I expect her to say, continue the conversation along the line to say, any little one, any girls out there or any boys out there were born with a difference with themselves. You know, if you hate yourself or confused about yourself, just know yourself, choose which side of yourself you gravitate to most and be the person where you're most comfortable with. Don't. She come on.
Gravitate to the next
she
self
says she a man. She come out and she says she a man. She said me a man. See, me no want me no woman, me a man, and me think that want to you. I lick on her backyard and go on with me things and the whole way I look on her and say, defend your thing. Yeah.
The sign just come up on my life, you know, so if my life end, I go the back, yeah, I restart it and add the back.
Alright.
But you can go and talk still, you know, end
she come on now and she has sell herself and we are watch her sell herself. Then all of a sudden now she start take a stance because the transgender thing start push. I remember say when none of the letter them no get no go in a Jamaica, the transgender letter go have it hard on a long time girl them a fight. Let in that letter there. See? Alright, so you have a platform now. You know, track easy with your platform where you get. You go link
father, man, I watch it smoke, man.
You go link up with Spice. You go link up with Spice because you know the powers that Spice have. You know, say Spice responsible for black woman. So you know, so when you stand upside that Spice, you don't have to worry because all of the black woman them are going to defend you. Spice, she look clout and I look big up and one bust so much. She now see I use them, I use her. You understand? She just dead and just say, Pretty big up yourself, Pretty Dan. But Pretty Dan don't love her. When she go find out say Pretty Dan don't love her, it go late. You understand what I mean? Because I use them, I use her.
Every one of them I use them. Every one of them.
Tenders going. You understand what I mean? At the expense of with children them who look on to them.